Okay, looks like everybody's here for the training. So thank you everyone for joining the monthly vendor webinar training series. My name is Kevin Kreiser and I'm one of the support reps here at Structured Web. And the training that I will be going over with you today would be the Account Activity Summary Report. Okay, so the agenda for today's training would include navigating to the Reports tab. So in order to get these reports, we would need to go into the Program Manager scope of the platform, click on what is the Reports tab, and then there is a drop menu which would show you the Account Activity Summary Reports. The reports that this would include, and I will go over this in a little more detail as the training goes on, would be the All Account Activity Dashboard and the Activity Scorecard by Accounts. Without any questions, I will go ahead and proceed with training. So I'll take this out here. Okay, so when you're in the Program Manager scope of the platform, first thing we need to do is go to the Reports tab. Then what you'll see on the very end of the gray ribbon is the tab right here to click on. Okay, once you're here, you'll see the option to select a report. The report that you want to select would be the Account Activity Summary V4. So when I click here, this is where I can find these reports. It may just take a second to load. And here it is. Okay, are there any questions as far as navigating to these particular reports? Okay, so when you're in the Account Activity Summary Reports, there are two reports that you have available to you. The All Account Activities Dashboard and the Activities Scorecard by Accounts. So I will go over the All Account Activities Dashboard. This is just a basic understanding. These reports will be broken down. What you'll see is a handful of boxes, and these will be broken down by the following. So this first box that you see here, this will be broken down by the account activity. So as you'll see, this will give you a number for the new accounts created in the system, a total number of logins, and accounts logged in at least once. And then you'll also see a quick aggregate accounts logged in by month total, as you'll see here. And then what you'll see here to the box next to it is user activity. So this would include users created in the system, users logged in at least once, and then total logins within the last 90 days. And then what you'll see on these bottom boxes here would be assets downloaded, email marketing, events and webinars, social media syndication. And you will see the aggregate totals for all of these that are executed by accounts. So they were pulled. Just do keep in mind that when you are looking at these boxes, if these boxes, for example, would have zeros, the report is available. However, it would depend on the type of tactic the vendors would be executing. So if there was no social media syndication, all these numbers would be zero, and that would actually be the expected behavior. All right, so the other thing that I want to quickly go over with you is how to utilize the filters. This way you can get a particular date range, and then you can break it down by region, a program, and a profit value. So just a very, very quick demo. So let's say I want to search for January 1st, 2018, and I want to keep it to perhaps 12/31/2018. I'll show you how this works. I just type in the date range. The system will update the filter, and you will see the numbers in the reports, the aggregate totals. These will alter according to the date range. The same thing will happen if I click on a region, for example, a program name, or profile value. Does anyone have questions regarding the All Account Activities Dashboard? Okay. The next thing that we will quickly cover is the Activity Scorecard by Accounts. So to get that report, we just need to click this button here, right next to the first report that we saw. Okay, so what you'll see here is a very quick yes or no type of set up as far as partner accounts and their activity. So every report will have the account name. So this would be the partner account. It'll give you quick yes or no questions. Did the partner log in? Did they download an asset? Did they send an email? Was there an event or webinar hosted? Have they used social media syndication? Or have they performed at least one activity? All right, so the check obviously indicates yes. The X indicates no, the partner has not done that. All right, so again, the other thing we can do is we can filter, similar to what we did with the prior report. You can put in your date range. Same thing with your region, program name, profile value. If you do need to narrow your filters down, you can definitely feel free to do this. The last thing that I will quickly cover with these reports are the ability to download them. All right, so to download the reports, all you need to do is go to the bottom right, and you're going to see a download button. What you'll see is you'll have the option to download as an image, a PDF, or a Tableau workbook. A more popular option would be the crosstab option. So to get that, what we'd want to do really, really quick is just click on one of the partner names. Click it again. And then we want to click the download button again. And then what you'll see is this crosstab available. And when you do this, you will see the report show up as a Microsoft Excel file. So I will run this for you as an example. Okay, looks like the download has completed. I'll click the report. And very similar to what you see on screen, you now have a Microsoft Excel version of this report. So just instead of check marks and X's, you'll see yes or no. Are there any questions concerning the activity scorecard by accounts report? Okay. Thank you again for joining today's monthly vendor webinar training series. If you do need any additional support, we are available by email at service@structuredweb.com. Our phone numbers are 24/5 support and are listed on the screen. We also offer a 24/5 chat support by live chat, and you can visit our support site online at support.structuredweb.com. Thank you again for joining, and have a great day.